How to change password on Crunchyroll. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to change password on Crunchyroll. In order to do it so, you have to follow the steps. First of all, try opening the Crunchyroll application. When you open it up, this is how it's gonna look like. Now here, I'm gonna press the login button. After which, what I'm gonna do is for the password, at the bottom of the page, you could see forgot password. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in that now. In order to so that a link can be sent to the email address, you need to type in the one that's registered, or then click on send reset link. Once you do it so, it's gonna send a reset link to the registered email address. So for that, exit out of the page and go to the Gmail and check whether you've actually received the link or not. As you can see that I've actually got the reset link, so I'm gonna go ahead and click here so that I can go ahead and change my password. So basically I need to go ahead and type in the new one and retype in the one once again for the confirmation, and click on reset password. As soon as you do that, you'll have successfully changed the password on Crunchyroll. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.